Sushant Singh Rajput's father KK Singh has lodged an FIR case against Riya Chakrabarti, and today we are going to see what are the points he mentioned in the FIR case against her. KK Singh clearly mentions that he was trying to lodge a case against Riya Chakrabarti with the Bihar police, but they denied it, and due to the influence of Bihar CM, then only he was able to file a case against Riya Chakrabarti. So the case against Riya Chakrabarti was lodged using the influence of Bihar CM. KK Singh also mentions that previously on February 25, 2020, he gave a statement to the Mumbai police about Riya Chakrabarti controlling Sushant Singh Rajput, and this could lead to the consequences. But the Mumbai police did not record his statement or did not file a case against Riya Chakrabarti, and they just neglected the KK Singh's statement, and this led to the sad demise of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. If the Mumbai police has acted wisely and took the statement of KK Singh, then this death could have been avoided. But why did the Mumbai police neglect KK Singh's statement, and what was the cause for it? Were they under pressure, or were they under the influence of some big personalities? The truth will come out. So after KK Singh filed an FIR case against Riya Chakrabarti in the Bihar police station, Riya Chakrabarti has approached the Honorable Supreme Court to lead this case in Mumbai and not in Patna. Why is she interested to handle the case in Mumbai and not in Patna? Is she having any influence with the Mumbai police, or is she having control of someone who is influencing the Mumbai police? Now let us see what are the points that KK Singh mentioned in the FIR case against Riya Chakrabarti. The first point he mentioned was Sushant Singh Rajput was normal and he was leading a normal life till 2019. But when Riya Chakrabarti entered his son's life was spoiled or ruined, and all the dramas of depression and his treatment for depression was let out to the public by media and Riya Chakrabarti. He tells that his son never had any depression or any mental disorder till 2019, and he was leading a very normal life and he was very successful in his career. But after this girl has entered my son's life, something has changed and he got a sudden depression which KK Singh was not aware of. Sushant Singh Rajput was in relationship with Ankita Lokande, his television co-actress, but later when he joined Bollywood, their relationship got broke up and he joined Riya Chakrabarti. So he was in a relationship with Riya Chakrabarti. After that, Riya Chakrabarti moved in with Sushant and they were in living together. Later on, Riya Chakrabarti's family members also joined in Sushant's house, and Riya Chakrabarti and the family members took control of Sushant's life. They were controlling him, they were suppressing him, and they were harassing him. Sushant one day called his father KK Singh and mentioned that he was not able to come out of their control and they were controlling him in every manner. When KK Singh tried to contact his son, his number was changed consistently by Riya Chakrabarti, and his son's contact number was not shared with him and he was not able to contact his son Sushant Singh Rajput. Why did Riya change Sushant's number repeatedly, and why were his family members not allowed to speak to him, or why were they not given his contact, and why was KK Singh not able to approach Sushant Singh? Why is Riya playing all these games, and what was the reason behind it? The third important point is that KK Singh mentions that Sushant was not having any financial problems before Riya entered his life. He mentions that Sushant was having some 17 crores of money in his bank account, and suddenly some 15 crores of money was transferred to some unknown account. We could also hear some stories that Riya Chakrabarti and Sushant jointly started a company, and Sushant Singh Rajput was the sole investor of that company, and that is why this 15 crores of money was transferred to the company's account. When Sushant Singh Rajput was the sole investor, but the company was registered under Riya Chakrabarti and her father's name. Even the address of the company is mentioned as Riya Chakrabarti's residential address. This proves that Riya and family members were controlling Sushant, and they were harassing him. They were trying to loot all his money, and they also spoiled his career. Riya's brother was given a very high position in that company. This was also done by giving more pressure to Sushant, and that is why Riya's brother was put up in a high position in that company. So the company started by both, and the sole investor of Sushant. But Riya and her family members took control of that company, and they started managing it. But a few days before Sushant's demise, or Sushant's death, Riya Chakrabarti resigned her position from that company, and the reason for her resignation is unknown. The next point what KK Singh mentioned is that it was Riya and her family members who took Sushant to different 4 to 5 different hospitals, and they approached 4 to 5 different doctors for his depression treatment. KK Singh clearly mentions that he was not aware of his son's depression, or he was not aware of his son's medication for depression. He did not know that his son was undergoing such a treatment, and he was taking such high dosage medicines. He questions that why the family members are not informed about his depression nor his treatment, and why Riya and her family members took control of his treatment, and how did he get depression, when did he get depression. Till 2019 he was normal and he was successful, but after this Riya Chakrabarti, so-called girlfriend, entered his son's life. He got depression, he faced mental trauma, he had financial problems, he was forced to have financial problems, he started losing his career, he did not get many opportunities. Why all this happened when Riya came into his life? The next point what he mentioned is that Sushant Singh was a successful actor in the Bollywood industry. He got good movies, he acted in good movies, and he got a good audience for him. But when Riya Chakrabarti entered his life, he started losing his career. He did not get many movie opportunities. Was it due to Riya's influence with the big Bollywood stars? She really has some connection with the top stars in the industry, and that influence has made her to do such big things which cannot be accepted by the people of India nor the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput. This is the most important point in the FIR lodged against Riya Chakrabarti. KK Singh mentioned that Sushant's desire was to quit the Bollywood industry, and he had his dream to do farming in Coorg. The reason is not yet known, but still he has his dreams of doing farming, and he wanted to develop his business as farming. This desire of Sushant was intimated to his father, and his father KK Singh has granted him permission to follow his dreams. But Riya Chakrabarti was not allowing Sushant to follow his dreams. She never allowed him to follow his dreams. She did not allow him to quit the industry and join farming. When Sushant insisted that he will definitely do farming, Riya Chakrabarti and her family members started blackmailing Sushant Singh Rajput that if he quits the industry and joins farming, then his medical records and his depression record statements, everything will be let out in public, and he will be put in shame. Why is this lady controlling his dreams? Why is this lady not allowing him to follow his dreams? And why are her family members controlling him? All this looks something fishy has happened in Sushant's life, and maybe because of this he would have got depression. That poor soul would have undergone such mental trauma which he could not explain it to anyone. He could not even contact his family members, he could not even share with his friends. The so-called friend Sandeep Singh is such a liar. We all hope that the Bihar police will handle the case in the right way and gets justice to Sushant Singh Rajput. India hopes that Sushant should get justice. And the public questions why after such a long gap, that is after it's been more than a month, and why did the family members lodge a case against Riya Chakrabarti now, and why was it not done immediately after Sushant's demise? Sushant's sister answered to this question. She said that they were waiting for the Mumbai police interrogation or investigation to happen. They were checking whether this case was handled in the right way, but they did not have trust on Mumbai police because they neglected the KK Singh's statement on February 25, and KK Singh also lodged a case against Riya Chakrabarti immediately after Sushant's death, but even that case was neglected. So the family members of Sushant lost trust in Mumbai police. They definitely knows that Mumbai police is not going to bring justice to Sushant Singh Rajput. That is why they waited for such a long time. They gather all the information, they gather all the inputs and the proofs that they have got. With all these proofs, they have lodged a case against Riya Chakrabarti with the influence of Bihar CM. Why did Mumbai police not lodge a case against Riya Chakrabarti when KK Singh gave a statement against her? Why are they not doing their job? Are they not interested in doing their job, or are they under some pressure, or are they under some influence of some government officials? Or what is it? The truth has to come out. I think the Patna police will handle the case in the right angle, and we all will get to know the truth, what has happened, and how Sushant Singh Rajput was murdered. What are your thoughts on these points in the FIR case against Riya Chakrabarti by KK Singh? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to our channel for latest updates.